So we're going to start by adding students to your caseload to document who you've been talking to in Service Capture up here. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to edit, and you can look at your entire caseload that you have, or you can add or remove students. But if you want to just focus on one class that you're working with, you go to New Caseload Group, and you can select from the students that you've already had listed. So in one of my classes, I'm going to name it Social Emotional Learning, and then I'm going to add certain students to it, and I'm just going to mark some random students just for this preview, accept it, and then you've created that. But if there's some students that aren't already in your caseload, you can add students by searching their last name, and I'm just going to do Smith and search, and then all the Smiths show up, and you can just click one, add it, and then they are in your caseload. See, Smith is right there in your caseload. And then it's really helpful when you go into Service Capture, and this is where we document every time that we talk to a student. You just go over here and say you held a social emotional learning class and you held it on Friday the 3rd. You can select everybody that was in there, and I'll say that everybody was in there, and you can go and record past service. We did it at 9 a.m. till 9:30 a.m. We'll say that I was in school because technically that's what we were in, and they were in class, and we're mainly working with collaboration, communication, and documentation, and we did it via teleconference, and we'll continue. And we met in Google Meets to discuss social emotional ten social emotional tensions. And then you have to click this button and save it, and you go to the top and you can type it in for the same student, save it, and you can go and continue doing it to each one. At the end, it'll save it all when you go into Service Capture, and it documents it right here. And it's as easy as that.